Hi, I'm Dana Obleman. This video is for my free sleep course for newborns up to 3 months right here on YouTube. If you feel like you could use more guidance, then check out Sleep Sense Plus. The link is in the description below.
Welcome. If you've bought this program, you're probably feeling pretty tired. Whenever I run a seminar, I ask the participants, how does tired feel? How is tired showing up for you in your life? And I hear comments like, it's affecting my productivity at work. I feel mildly depressed all day. I feel angry at my partner and sometimes even resentful at my baby. All of these things are how it feels to be chronically sleep deprived. And there's nothing selfish about wanting good quality sleep. It is a human need, and we all have the right to it. Those first few months of being a new parent, I can remember being so bombarded by information. Everybody has a little tidbit of advice to give you. Do it this way, don't do it this way. It can be a really confusing time for a new parent. And when you start talking about sleep, you get even more conflicting advice. So I'm going to walk you through the next 14 days, so we're going to be together on this journey. I'm not going to blind you with science. I'm going to keep it as simple and straightforward as I possibly can. I'm going to teach you a little bit about why your baby's not sleeping well, and then I'm going to give you an absolutely clear roadmap on how we're going to solve this problem together. And by the end of these 14 days, you're going to see a dramatic improvement in the quality of your child's sleep, and also, the good news, the quality in your night's sleep. I can't wait to get started on this journey. Thanks for watching. Sleep well.